Okay, so let's look at this example, which highlights the importance of adjustment. So look at if you were to disregard x, right? Then all these red points, like in just imagine if we projected them onto this axis right here, then this would be the mean that we got, and this is the red or pink mean. Actually, the color label in R is salmon. This is the blue mean. Okay. And you can see it's red bigger than blue. But what happens if we do the regression adjustment? There's a clear treatment effect, right? The two lines are parallel with a separation, right? And let me just erase that so we can see it. But now, look, so the treatment effect is that, but it has the blue higher than the red. Okay, so the regression, the treatment relationship reverses itself after the adjustment. Okay, and then by the way, I don't think I've described this earlier. This line is just what you get if you disregard group status and just fit y as a function of x. So in this case, the treatment effect completely reverses itself. So let's just go through these points. So some things to consider. The marginal association has the red group higher than the blue, but the adjusted relationship has the blue group higher than the red. In this case, group status is related to x, but we do have some overlap. There were some, if you hold x constant, there are some areas where we have a direct comparison, and that's this final point right there. Okay. Okay, so here's just another kind of example of what could happen. If we were to take the marginal associations, we get that distance right there. That's the mean of the red, that's the mean of the blue. So basically no association between treatment if we fail to adjust for x. But if we adjust for x, holding this guy constant, we get a strong association. And then obviously we get clearly the incorrect regression line if we don't account for group status. Okay, so just to summarize these points again, no marginal association between group status and y, and a strong adjusted relationship. In this case, group status is not related to x. If I told you x, you wouldn't be able to guess group status terribly well. But there's lots of direct evidence for comparing the two groups holding x fixed. So that's a good example. So you